Only Bataka me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it is official. It has been confirmed. Vybz Kartel single of the album titled Off Dance and Divas available worldwide. On a need to go grab on a copy. Now, viewers and subscribers, the single is the #1 selling reggae and dancehall single across the world on the iTunes platform. Viewers and subscribers, for those not in the know, because I don't really buy music, Bob Marley have a single, viewers and subscribers, after one time, either remastered album or the original album. But that song there is always at #1 on the iTunes chart. It is the song where people continue to buy year in, year out. Now when a song past that Bob Marley song, it is placed at #1. You have to sell a certain amount of singles. Where some people are talking about Buju album. Big up the Gargamel a Spanglers. Him is a Jamaican icon and never violate. Plus, he's a fan of Vybz Kartel. And Vybz Kartel is also a fan of him too as well. Unity in the music. Them are do it for the culture. No, not even Buju album. Not even the single from that with John Legend. Now sell the amount of units as the Vybz Kartel track titled Cute Rider, produced by John FX, viewers and subscribers, known for working with superstars such as XXX Tentacion, viewers and subscribers, and artists that influenced the entire hip-hop genre, even though he was a young youth. And get him started at the game through Drake sampling cadence, not the flow, just the cadence, the way that pronounce the vibe. You know what I mean? Now, viewers and subscribers, it's a big accomplishment and people are going at them one for don't play the artist and his achievement. Let's point this out. The album, viewers and subscribers, is currently at 3rd on a chart that is predominantly reggae. As a matter of fact, we can consider it only reggae because the chart is considered reggae and the reggae charts on the iTunes. Now, viewers and subscribers, Buju album features Grammy-winning artists, multi-platinum selling artists such as John Legend, artists such as Pharrell, who are also producers as well. From Vybz Kartel album, besides the producers and engineers who are known for working with superstars who are multi-platinum selling, you know what I mean? Producers and engineers. Vybz Kartel is the most famous artist on that album. Think about it. Let's put that into perspective, as well as the fact that it is a reggae chart. Vybz Kartel put dancehall music on the map. This is still a major accomplishment despite what the naysayers are saying. Kartel make, but at the same time, the numbers, viewers and subscribers, the reaction. People are actually purchasing the music. This is the iTunes chart, the songs are not for free. While other artists who make them talk, people they not pay them music much mind. Currently, on a platform, this platform, where, you know what I mean, you can hear the music at your leisure. The song them are trend. Look on what trend right now. And for those who attack, this is how it looks when a song is trending organically. When it is just based upon the reaction from the fans. Not when you put your song up on sites so people watch movies, and before you can watch the movie, you have to watch 30 seconds of a YouTube video, and there goes your song, adding to your reviews. No, organically people are search for your song, people want to hear the song over and over, and I will a vibe and a joy to the song, a talk about the song, and share the song. This is how your song trend organically. Right now in the game, the dancehall music, other than the vlogger them trend with them, and Vybz Kartel music, nobody else now trend organically. A bit. Corner cuttings are going on the dancehall music, but at the same time, does it help sales? Because as much as we see some artist song trend right here on the platform, when we check the platforms where people go to purchase music, We never see them name. Them they know it, then in the top 10, then in the top 50, then in the top 100. Go far them song probably in the top 200. Maybe if people buy 1, 2 or 1, 3 copies, we don't know. But them songs are not selling at the capacity where we can say, yo, them are dominate the market and for them music and fill up the market. No! Another time. But they not purchase them music, them way the viewers and subscribers. And the facts are in. You have a thought about it. The naysayers would I wish if would, mention it less. Act like it not take place. But the fact is, other than Bob Marley, Buju Banton, in our reggae music, no artist now sell music like Vybz Kartel right now. I will talk about singles. Vybz Kartel has just outsell Bob Marley. What not talk about? In a reggae, a dancehall artist has surpassed the sales of a reggae artist in our own genre. We are talking about the king of reggae himself. The king of dancehall music, just do it. Think about it, viewers and subscribers. Definitely a good look for dancehall. As I said, check the charts. We are the other dancehall artists who would say are, playing an instrumental role locally. Because Sean Paul them songs still a sell and Shaggy them songs still selling, him album with Sting win Grammy and them thing. But when we think about dancehall music and the influence of an artist thereof, we wouldn't put Vybz Kartel in the same category with Sean Paul or talk about influence in the dancehall music. Sean Paul influence is not that great. Vybz Kartel, however, his influence has not only dominated the sound of dancehall music, but to some extent even the look of dancehall music. Viewers and subscribers, think about it. A food for thought. And where some people are saying comparisons when we mention names, we are not making any comparisons to the artists, viewers and subscribers. Listen, we are using artists as examples. Where will we use examples from? We can use you. I cannot use you as an example. You don't make music. We have to use names in music where people either talk about or people know. It's the best way to use an example. An example is used so you can give a better explanation or give an idea of the explanation. So people can realize, oh, with that being said, we see where I go with the reasoning, because we are well a reasoning. There is never a comparison. A dancehall music, we know this. I'm going to show you this. There is no artist we can compare with Bounty Killer, right? We can't say that artist or that artist is like Bounty Killer. There's no way we can say that artist or that artist is like Vybz Kartel at no point in time. These artists are anomalies in the dancehall game that have shown a level of contribution we're going to see matched by any other artist. So when we mention another artist, it's just for an example so you can understand where we are going with the reason. Never for a comparison, viewers and subscribers. Even if them like to compare themselves. That's not how we are doing. As a matter of fact, artists should be respected for their individual contributions. Oh, internationally, people know Bounty and people know Beanie. The style of music that Beanie is known for is different from the style of music that Bounty is known for. But they respect and appreciate the contributions from both artists. Even when them probably try to compare them here and there, them still respect their individual contributions. And that's all need to do with dancehall music now. And for the artists them who live in another artist's shadow, well, you know it's hard for you to accomplish nothing. You know somebody else's style. So it's different for you. But for an artist who show creativity, you know what I mean? He must show him own style, him own creativeness. We have to respect an artist who do that. Regardless of the facts of you know what I mean? If you're young in the game, established in the game, or wherever the cause may be, or wherever the situation may be. We have to just respect artists who contribute something to the game, whether help them help other artists, them write songs for other artists, or them put out hits for dancehall music, or them help out other artists while simultaneously putting out the hits. Of course, the Vybz Kartel we are talking about. We have to acknowledge that it's good for the genre of music. Talking negatively about somebody who accomplished something, I'm going to show one thing, that there's somewhat of a crab in a barrel mentality in a dancehall music, and that has to change. And not necessarily the fans, because, you know what I mean, we can't really create a census for understand where the fans definitely are say when we hear some people say some things. Because and everybody got pass through the comment section and comment. So they are naysayers, you're gonna say what them say. But at the same time, viewers and subscribers, we know the facts. We know the facts. All if you listen to the reason you never drop a comment, I implore you to drop one though. But all if you never drop your comment, me know you know Wagwan. You know the settings. Yeah man, I move settings fam. I wanna need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is gonna live, love and prosper until we reason again.